Hello everyone, I'm Oath, Thai in the United States. First of all, you guys may confuse why I'm not speaking along with the video I am showing you. I just thought about today I would like to do something that is not talking about the video at all, but I would like to tell you about practicing English as I am the person who speaks English as second language. The video was our vacation summer in 2023 in Palm Springs, California. We were walking from the hotel to downtown, so you just watching and enjoy what you see. And if you would like to know later, you can ask me in the comment. But I would like to start talking what I would like to talk and may encourage you guys, everybody who speak English as second language or third, fourth, 10, whatever number of the languages that you speak beside your native language. I keep practicing English since I started to learn in Thailand. I'm not sure how to compare the education level in the United States to Thailand grade, blah, blah, blah. I don't know how to compare them. Anyway, I study English since I was in, let's say, level, like grade, not level, grade 5. I learned elementary school. I don't remember about that. And then I learned high school, right? And then higher than high school. Okay, I forgot about that grade comparison to America. Then I loved learning English from that time, and because my teacher was great in that time for me too, I really enjoy learning English. I always do homework. I always did. That time is past 10. I always did my homework and I got over 100% as always. But I never practicing speaking pronunciation at all from that time until university, and then my mother pay me. In fact, she paid me for the whole tuition. My mother, my father, they are divorced since I was young. So I live with my father for a while and then live with my mom for a while. Then the tuition separated. Who pay me at the time I live with whom. Then my mother sent me to AUA, American something. AUA is like American, the United States Institute, Language Institute. I don't remember what AUA stands for. I study English over there. I study with foreigner teachers, and I had friends, my classmates from variety different career. Some of them young, as same as my age. Some of them much older. Some of them were owner of the businesses. And I learned that some people like to learn from the book and memorize, but not me. I don't like to memorize at all. Yeah, if you learn from the book and then you create by yourself out of the book. I think I am good with that. I said I think because not sure, not 100% sure if I'm very good. By the way, when I moved to the United States from the first week, I joined a party, all Thai people, and many of them speak English very well. That time, I didn't know about grammatic. I didn't focusing at all, but I heard how they speak and pronounce, and I felt so down because my English are monotone, same as regular Thai people. But nowadays, many Thai people learned in the way that we could communication with foreigner better. Still, some people have no idea at all how and don't care much. I am the one who care because first thing, I live in the country that speak English. And second thing, I would like to be better in my speaking. I would like to be fluent. And then one of them talked to me and said, how long have you been here? Just a week. I have been living here for 10 years. When you live here for 10 years, your English will be the same as mine. I remember that very well. But, not everybody live overseas 10 years and their English improve. It depends. Because I am keeping practicing, I teach Thai people. I teach basic English. I teach them basic grammar because I'm not good with grammar, advanced, but basic is okay. And focusing on pronunciation, how speak to make foreigner understanding better. I said better because I never thought that my pronunciation, people call accent, is foreigner. My accent is still Thai, just only different from those days when I was young. I suggest everybody, including you, who are listening to me and your English is not your native, but you would like to speak fluent, you must forget. You must. That is good for you. I know the word must is too strong. It's good for you. You must focusing on speaking and don't worry about grammar at all if you don't know. If you know grammar and then you speak, you can take the correct grammar, add in your speaking, and then try to copy. If you can copy who? Copy everybody who speak English well in your opinion and you like to speak as same as that person. You copy that person. And then focusing on pronunciation and the rhythm. Don't speak like read the book. Don't speak too slow. Don't speak too fast. I'm not speak fast, but I'm not speak really slow, right? Or I am speaking very slow. You don't keep or take the bad comment. I told my student if anybody told them that why you speak over action. I told my student if somebody talk that to you, you must smile and happy because you are on the right track. If you like what I talk about practicing English, I will do again later. Leave a comment, okay? Thank you. Enjoy. Bye.